Okay guys, can you see what's wrong with this code? I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. What's wrong with this code is we're calling scanf with the %s format, which means we want to read a string. Now the problem is that string's being read into buffer, but buffer can only hold 8 bytes of information. And since we haven't provided the limit inside the format itself, it means that we can actually read more than 8 bytes into that buffer. Now what's going to happen when we read more than 8 bytes into that buffer? It's going to overflow that buffer and overwrite the base pointer that's on the stack, and then overwrite the return address. It's essentially going to allow a malicious actor to redirect the function we return to when we return from main. This type of attack is called a buffer overflow. It's extremely serious, and the way you resolve a buffer overflow is by ensuring you're only reading the maximum possible amount of information that can be stored in the buffer that you're reading into. And this is how you resolve that problem, guys. So we can put a %7s, and then this will ensure that we cannot read a string more than 7 bytes. Now for those that are interested in knowing why the original code was a problem, let's take a look. So you can see here that we set buffer 0 to 65, which is capital A. This is where we do RBP minus 8. Here we do RBP minus 7, 66. Here RBP minus 1, 67. And you can see here, RBP minus 1 is for the final element, okay? So once you get to RBP 0, you're accessing the base pointer, which was pushed here. After another 8 bytes, RBP plus 8, you're accessing the return address. So just by using scanf with this vulnerable code, you can actually change the buffer. Very serious attack. This is a buffer overflow attack, okay? If you're interested in learning the C programming language and how to write it properly, you can now obtain my C programming course for free in the video description. Or if you're watching this on a YouTube short, click the related video, and then you'll be able to check the video description. Thanks for watching, guys.